Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get new working TikTok shop big discount codes. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and then you just have to write in new working TikTok shop big discount codes, and here you will get all of these websites, and you can just open one of these websites and you can find all of these coupon codes that you can use on TikTok shop to get big discounts. So as you can see guys, you can get any of this code by clicking on get coupon, and then you can just copy this code, click on go to TikTok shop and redeem this coupon code. So yeah guys, this is how you get them. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.